So many people ask me a lot of questions after I made these two videos about the Leica SL2. How do you know about it? You never tried it. What's going on? I just want to tell you something. I am a Leica owner, a camera owner, right? I'm a photographer who shoots with Leica cameras. I have Leica cameras. I own the Leica camera. I'm not somebody who's making video like all these YouTubers. 10% probably they own the real camera and they don't really talk about it much, but all the other videos, they don't even own the camera and they don't experience it every day. They don't shoot with it every day. They don't put different weight on the camera to see how it performs. So this is the difference between an experienced photographer who owns the product and talking about explaining how it works, and there's a person is just reading the specs from the PDF and the website and just telling it to you on a video because it looks like we are all idiots. We don't know how things work or we don't know how to read. So this is the whole thing. I own Leica cameras. Between them, it's the SL. Now, between the SL1 and the SL2, there is not a big difference. It's not a brand new camera. It's not like the medium format Leica S and the SL. Then I will say, okay, there is something going on. We need to talk about it. Or, it's not like the SL and the CL. It's the same camera, just different tweaks here and there. Let me explain a little bit more in a bit. I just don't want it to sound like any other YouTubers talking about the same camera with the same specs, because I can tell you from my own experience, you're not gonna feel any difference. You can see with the Leica Q and the Leica Q2. So many people sold their Q to buy the Q2 because they want the latest and greatest, but they don't. Sometimes it's not necessarily the latest and greatest. It's supposed to fit their needs, or they're going to see a difference. You're only going to see a difference when you put one side by side. That's it. If you don't put one side by side and make a race, you're not going to know any difference. Now, if I blind you, or take the labels off the Q2 and the Q, are you going to tell me which one is the Q and the Q2? Absolutely, you're not going to know. Regardless, you see the megapixel counts and all these things, just performance wise, you're not gonna know. So this is the whole point. The point is enjoy what you have and stop delusion yourself with this is right and this is wrong and this is the best and this is worse, because I'm all about Leica and I own Leica and I'm not against the company at all. And the opposite, I want them to sell, I want everything. I'm the only probably guy making informative value information about the Leica system in general without anything back in return, for example, or it's not a business, you know what I mean? So this is what I'm trying to say, that the whole camera system is amazing. Leica is very exclusive. I make so much videos just talking about Leica in general. So stop putting that I'm jealous or any of these kind of stupid things. Now, people ask me for the last thing, is it faster? Is it better? Now, I want to tell you something. I have Leica SL and the video capability is amazing. The performance is amazing. Is there any complaints? Of course, maybe the firmware inside, it could be better. I said it before that they can change a little bit of the whole camera, maybe from the software point of view. So there is a lot of things can be twisted from the firmware itself. But do you need to make a brand new total camera? In my opinion, no. Because why you need to do it and you just make more megapixels and look what happened with the Q and the Q2. Nobody really bothered with the Q2 so much because the Q it's enough, you know what I mean? They said the trend, we're following the trend, but nobody cares about the trend. They care about the product itself and what they can deliver and how to do things and all these things. So when it comes to SL2, now it's the same thing. Megapixel more, autofocus more, the viewfinder a bit brighter. Of course, I'm a computer engineer. I came from I don't know if anybody knows about my background, so I'm a computer engineer. I came from an engineering background in education, so I know how things work. So when I want to actually make similar camera with the same, mostly electronics, of course, I need to maybe say okay, let's tweak a little bit here and there and make this more higher, lower. So, we can say that we put actually a brand new camera. You know what I mean? It's not like we just a megapixel and a little bit high ISO and this and that and boom, new price, a new camera. You know what I mean? So you're not gonna really see a difference between the cameras unless you put them into the race. Now, there is the guy who tested it in China, because everybody go to China. Apparently, they don't really do anything else besides going to Chinese people and photograph them, because I don't know why. Maybe it's the easiest spot to do these things without anything, but I don't know why people don't push the limit of themselves and creativity. But anyway, so his name is Steve McCurry, something like that. So this is the funny part, and this is what I want to talk about. Everybody talking about the SL and the SL2 and the video and this and that. At the end of the video, they said, you know, they put the credit, the whole thing was shot by the Leica SL. It wasn't shot with the Leica SL2. Now you're gonna question now the performance of the video. So many YouTubers I saw when they were doing the test, the video is dark. It's not cinematic dark. It's dark. Like, it's not contrasty, but the black is a very, very, very black, that the shadows is almost gone as it's black. With the Leica SL and the Leica Q, it's a different scenario, man. It's so bright, it's so clear, it's so smooth, it's so like so comfortable, like that's cinematic. The SL is very cinematic. So they shot the whole series while someone is shooting with the SL2 with the SL. Now this is gonna make me questioning the ability of why they did not also shoot with the Leica SL2 when they say the video is performing amazing and this is the target for the people with the video, and they wanted to make the SL2 appealing more for the videographers, right? So they want to make like all these in the video production, all the cameramen to switch from photo to video, but they want to have like amazing cinematic and 4K and 6K and all these things that I don't know. So now this has put us all in a very big question mark. When I have a brand new camera and I'm talking about the video highly so much, why I'm not testing it while I'm testing the same product? So this is what makes me wonder. Is the video professional on the Leica SL2 as professional on the SL or not? Because it's contrasty. Now you're gonna say like there's so many modes inside. Yes, the vlog and this and that, but sometimes people want to have a quick video, and sometimes people don't want to process so much. I don't process any of my videos from the Leica SL. I make paid professional production from the Leica SL, and people go crazy about it, and it's out of the camera. What if I connect an external monitor and shoot actually with the full performance of the camera? I think they will go nuts. So when the camera, they shoot with the Leica SL, a production of the Leica SL2, this is what's like, why the crew is not confident enough to put the Leica SL2 to the video test and say, we shot the testing of the Leica SL2 with the Leica SL2 to prove to you that the video is amazing and the photos are amazing. And you can see the guy, Steve Murphy, he did not even try the video mode. So what kind of people are you putting the testing situation in when you say that the Leica SL2, it's all about mostly video as well? So you cut the cake to half, video and photo. And Leica is really known for more of photo thing, like it's a photography. So I don't know why they're doing the video business, and now the business is not really complete. They try to put the video performance there, which is okay, but at the same time it's not really perfect. So why do I need to put it? Why do I need to look like a little bit like a jokish? You know what I mean? This is when I say like to Leica, we don't need so many generations. We are fine the way we are. Please invent a new camera for us to enjoy and own, not to like keep two camera bodies the same. One looks very traditional with the, you know, with the writing thing, and we lose actually the momentum, the creativity, the real hard thoughts. Because believe me, whoever made the SL camera, it took him so long time to engineer it, to draw it, to design it, to keep twisting around, to have that camera. Now it's easy to make duplicated one with a little bit of twist, right? But the first one, that is the real soul of Leica SL, like the original DNA. Now nothing is going to replace it, no matter how many SLs people are going to make, unless again they will make another SL or another Leica camera in general. So my question is, how good is the video performance? One, and is it really coming up to standards or not? Because when someone testing the camera and saying, I love the autofocus, I love the viewfinder, and you take a few photos and you will go, it's like, wait a minute, but you didn't talk anything about the video, that this is what's selling the camera also. So this is when I try to send a message to Leica, make your strategy in a very different way than what you're doing right now, because you are having you're missing the gaps. The gaps are not really 100% filled by our needs. You wanted to target people with video. At least when you do the photo, show us immediately that you can switch to video and you can have this nice clip. But nothing like this happened. And this is when I said, like, there is something wrong, especially when I saw the credit at the end of the video. This production was shot with the Leica SL. That's mean, look at the Leica SL, how amazing is it for video, and you can shoot with it. Apparently testing the Leica SL2, and if you want the SL2, you can take it if you want the 47 megapixels / you're not gonna feel any difference between any generation. So you can see what I mean? So this is when people ask me, how do you know? Because I know, I see, I observe. My eye trained to see these kind of things that normal people don't see. So when I see these things, when I see small things people don't pay attention to, this is when I say sometimes I don't need to try it. And believe me, the Leica SL2, I will try it, I will make a campaign, I will shoot with it video, I will shoot with its photos, I will make something professional with professional model in my fashion industry, no problem about that. And don't worry, I will post it online so you guys can see what I say from this day, from this date, that it is true and accurate. So do you really need to go and rush for it? I mean, everybody loves the latest and greatest. I recommend you again what I said in my last video, go and try it. And also the best thing you can do before you buy the camera is pick a really good lens to go with it. Because of course you can put the M system, you can put the TL system, you can put the CL system, like lenses wise, no problem. But this is more meant for the SL lenses. And it's not, I don't want to say it's a waste for you to use these things to make it smaller and compact, of course, but you're better off buying the M series in this case, or the the CL series. You know what I mean? Because it's not really, you're not going to make the SL compact and just putting an M lens. You know, you can go with the CL. The CL, beautiful camera. I recommend it very much because I shot with it. So you can see that you just need to really think and know what you want to do and what you really want. But if you want to buy the Leica SL2 for you to keep it for 2 months and then sell it, it's up to you, man. But I recommend the Leica SL very much. And anyways, the Leica SL2 is not out anyways, so it's not like people are lining up for it crazy. It's still pre-order this and that, and it's still like in the going, right? Speaking of Leica SL and SL2, I have a friend, I don't know if I mentioned it in my other video, he is an ambassador, and he asked me about the SL, and he wanted to try it, and he tried it. I will keep the surprise for the next video. So this is very much about the Leica SL2. Do you need to get it? I recommend you to go and try it first. If you didn't come from any Leica SL background, go and buy it. You're not going to see any difference. If you are coming from an SL and you want to buy the SL2 as a backup, or vice versa, you want to make the SL backup and you want to go with the SL2, I don't think you're going to feel any difference anyway, you know, because in real professional working life, you're not going to feel the 1 or 2 seconds different or change or improvement. So you better off to invest in Leica lenses, Leica accessories. And some people, they say like also about the accessories, oh, the Leica SL grip, it can actually attach it to the Leica SL2. And I found out that they sell separately the Leica SL2 grip, and it's more expensive. So you can see there is not accurate information about the Leica system in general, because people are just trying to make up information as they go to make content or whatever that is. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. This is the last video about the Leica SL2, unless I come up with actually production about it, but this is pretty much about it. This is my take about the whole thing, because again, my eye trained to see small details that you don't see, and this is when I give it to you on a very easy video like this, saying that when I see someone is shooting with the Leica SL2 and they film it with the Leica SL, there's something a bit tricky there. Now they're gonna say like, you don't have enough cameras. I mean, come on. If they want to make this amazing campaign for the Leica SL2, they don't have another camera just to film it. You know what I mean? So you can see the confidence is not there 100% about the video department, because even if you want to say there's a vlog and 5K and crop and this and that, it does not matter. You need to put your campaign fully in the same thing. It's like I'm a designer. I want to put someone in the runway and I go buy them a different shoes. You know what I mean? No, I'm branding the model from top to bottom, my everything, my watch, my shoes, my socks, my underwear, everything. That means that whatever you see, it's my brand. But I don't go and buy him a different brand from a different designer and say, oh, this is my look. You know what I mean? It doesn't work this way. So you need to brand the whole thing by your brand. Say, like SL2 can do this and can do that. And also to tell the photographer, by the way, there's a video mode. Can you just talk about it? But unfortunately, they didn't talk about it. So this is what makes me this is what put my doubt into the place. You know what I mean? So this is when I'm confident about what I say and how I do things and how I elaborate about things. Some people want to take it to a different way or awkward way. I mean, hey, this is the world is like, you cannot satisfy everybody, right? Especially the people don't own the system, or they're not going to intend to buy it anyway. They just want to show off. But I'm talking to the real people are actually into having tension to buy the system, and they want to do it and they're not sure and this and that. This is the right video for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please check my work and my tutorials and I made a Leica gallery on my ramseyspencer.com. You can go to ramsino.com, expertotv.com, and at Ramsey Spencer on my Instagram if you like to see what I do and where I go, because I'm flying a lot in November and December, and you can check me out there. And that's very much about it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm making a video especially to answer all the questions, because you can see that not a lot of accurate information is there. It's like someone just, put something in a pool and let everybody just, drown, like, I don't know, you know what I mean? It's just like, no, like checking, or checking up what's happening. But here you go. Leica SL and the Leica SL2. Which one do I recommend? Which one I like? Which one I don't like? It's all up to you at the end. I prefer you invest in more in the glass of the Leica glasses than the body itself, because if you have the body, just keep building amazing glasses, because the glasses of Leica is amazing, and you can switch them from to CL, TL, SL. You have amazing range of Leica system. It's small, but it's very effective and very useful. Again, please don't think I'm against Leica or I'm jealous because I don't own the system or I can afford it. I have multi-cameras from Leica. I'm talking nicely about them. I like the company. I'm the opposite of what you think. I'm jealous or anything like that. I'm totally fine. I'm running 3 businesses. I want to buy another Leica camera for my business. I'm trying to switch the whole system. I have, of course, my stills are all Leica, but I'm trying to put the video also department with the Leica system. So this is when I want to say, like, I think I need to invest in an all Leica SL video to make my whole brand as Leica, because I love this company very much, because it's delivering nothing but excellence. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next video. Ciao, ciao.